Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other deck. Okay, let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. Okay, Scorpios. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel your person is loyal. Okay, guys, this may be your energy. Okay, what you feel about your person, or maybe your person's energy. Okay, so it works vice versa. This person you're with, they are loyal to you, they are very friendly, understanding, and you both have a very good like you both support each other. That is the energy I'm getting here. They are a good companion to you. You're able to work with them freely. So that is the energy. Maybe this can be the energy in your professional life. You have people whom you can rely on, trust them. They may be working faithfully for you, whom you can depend on. So that is the energy. This may be your person or someone from your work, people who are working under you, or people who are working with you in your workplace. So that is the energy. And also I see here that you have few obstacles in your way of realizing this relationship. You know in your heart that they are good, they are very understanding, and you both have a good communication, but still you feel some kind of obstacles are there in materializing this relationship. Maybe mental obstacles. You may feel that you yourself are having some doubts, some kind of resistance based on your past experience, some lack of confidence is there. You're burdened with decisions you have to make, Scorpio. So that is also the energy I'm getting here. You're feeling that some people are taking credit for your actions, your ideas. They are trying to use you. So you're feeling what to say, lack of confidence and good feeling in your mind, goodwill. So that is also the energy here, Scorpios. You're clearly seeing the obstacles as great challenges. So but times are coming when you will, with this card I feel, with the key, the obstacles are what to say, are going to disappear, are starting to disappear. So that is the energy here. So you will overcome the obstacles, and you may have chance to you will find the courage and confidence to work out this relationship. So that is the energy here. So you're overcoming your obstacles and what to say, the lack of confidence you have, lack of self-esteem because of your own low self-esteem, or what to say, because of the challenges you're facing, or due to the criticism you're facing from others. So that is also the energy here. You may feel people are using you for your resources. Okay, so that is also the energy here, Scorpios. So overall, you have a good opinion about your person, but the only thing is you're standing in between, like you're in a double mind. You don't know what to do based on your past. You have very low confidence in relationship. You don't know how to take it forward. You're burdened with decisions. You don't know how to go, decide which way to go. So that is the energy here. But for few of you all, these cards may also symbolize some kind of spiritual growth, some kind of emotional growth, and maybe it also denotes a karmic cycle, guys. So whatever happens in our life, it happens for a reason. So everything is destined. Whatever happens will happen, and the experiences we get just help us to make us better every day. So we learn so much from our experiences. So that is what these cards are saying. It helps us to progress in our life's journey, guys. So let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. Scorpios. Embrace change, seek within, embrace change, face your challenges. Scorpios, it's time for you to accept your challenges, whatever you're facing, your internal conflicts. So you need to overcome your internal conflicts. You will have a gut feeling about your person or any situation in your life. You will surely know the solution for any issue if you just look within yourself, if you just reflect within yourself calmly, think over your situation. You will surely get the answer, guys. And sometimes we get the answer through our dreams and some kind of some words people speak. They may answer our thoughts, like we may be having some thoughts, and when people speak something, it may be just the answer. So you just have to be attentive, reflect within yourself, think over your situation. Okay, that way you will understand, and everything in the world changes, guys. Everything changes each and every day, and if something is stagnant, it will just lead to destruction. So you don't have to repeat your same old pattern. You just need to come out of it, think differently, and accept whatever is changing in your life. That is the energy here, Scorpios. You need to accept that what is changing within yourself. Maybe you were having some doubts about this relationship yesterday, but today you're confident about the person and you're confident about the situation and you understand what to do. So you have to go with your intuition. You will know in your heart the answer for your situation, and you should go with the flow, guys. So that is the energy, and you should see what is creating the block within yourself. Maybe your fear or some kind of low self-esteem, or lack of confidence due to some past incidents. So you should reflect within yourself about your past memories, okay, whatever has happened, and try to understand the situation and overcome those fears. So it will just help you to appreciate what is happening in the present, guys. So that is the reading, Scorpios. I hope you like the reading. If you do, please comment and like the video if it resonated. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.